Let's convert this antique tie pin into 2 new pieces of jewelry. First thing is to heat up the back of the oyster so that we can remove the pearl while we work on the piece. Then the pin gets separated from the decorative pin head and shaped into a dainty band. A torch is then used to solder it into a seamless ring, and then the band gets soaked in the pickle to remove fire scale that was brought up by the flame. While that's soaking, we decide which way we want to hang the oyster pendant, choose a matching bail for it from some scrap pieces that we had, and attach it using the laser welder. We'll also remove this random bit of metal from the back of the oyster and blend that spot in with the surrounding textured detail. We also add more texture to the top of the pendant near the bail. Back to the ring, it gets rounded out on a mandrel, filed and polished both inside and out, and then gets a dip in the ultrasonic while we get some 2-part epoxy ready to reattach the pearl to the oyster pendant. When upcycling vintage jewelry, we try to take a no-waste approach so that we can reuse as much of the piece as we can. Which would you choose, the dainty ring band or the oyster pendant?